Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome to Beth Does Beauty. Today I am showing you what I got at Morphe in New York City for $126. Ooh, you just had a ooh moment. Now we're in Morphe. As you can see there it says Morphe Babe. Very excited.
Who needs to care? Who needs to start when I can just paint my arm and my wrist?
I'm overwhelmed. Very overwhelmed right now. He's living his best life. The moment you've all been waiting for, what's in the bag? Why did I spend $126 on? Easy enough to do. I actually got to the counter and thought this was gonna be like $200, $250, but was actually really surprised when it was so much lower than what I expected it to be. I feel like we should start small and work our way up. So there you have it. That was what $126 went on at Morphe. I am so excited to try the 39S palette, the Such a Gem palette, the big palette, because the colors and the glitters in this are incredible. So vibrant looking. And like I've said before in my previous haul, I absolutely love anything purple because it represents Lupus, and that is just, it means so much to me, as you guys know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what palette you want me to review or any of the products that you want me to review down below in the comment sections, or let me know on my social media. Drop me a message. I'll link those down below as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!